Hello and welcome. This is Madan. In this video, I'm going to show you how we can work with the list of data in React. So that can be the list of the number or the list of the object. So in this example, we're gonna work with list of the object in the React, and we'll display them onto the view. So this is the project that we created in our previous demo, and now I'm going to create a new component here called employee list employee list component, and I'm going to import the React here and create a class, and the name of the class is employee list component. And let's first display a simple message here. Let's put a div class name equal to container, and inside that let's put h2 heading center all employees. Now at the moment we see our counter component has been rendered. Now we need to render our employee component, so we go to the index.js here, and then now we render employee component instead of the counter component, employee list component, and this shows our employee list. Now I have a list of employees here, so I have 3 employees here, just created earlier to save the time. Now what we need to do, let's put a state variable called employees, and then let's make the array of employee, and then let's paste those employees here. So we have a 3 employee, so you can assume this as the data coming from the database or the web API. Now we need to display this into our view. So if you have been working with the Vue.js or Angular, then they have got for each loop, so ng for in case of the Angular, but React does not have the concept of for. So in order to render this, we need to use this slightly different approach. So at first I'm going to create a table here to display the list of employee, and let's give a table name of table bootstrap class, and I'm going to create a table head, and then tr th. So we have a name of the employee, and th address of employee, and let's put a button here, another title actions, and in the t head I'm going to give a class name of bg dark and text white. Now we have created a t head, and now let's create a t body, and t body is the section where our data repeats. That means that these 3 employee repeats here. We need to create a 3 table row. So what we're gonna do is I'm going to use the interpolation syntax here. That means I'm going to write a JavaScript code inside the HTML. Now we get the data from our state object, state variable employees. So this dot state dot employees dot, now we'll be using the map function, and this map function we can pass a lambda syntax here, so anonymous function, and it has got a value, let's say employee, and we can also get the index of the employee. So for the first employee the index will be 1, second 2, and 3. So now here, so this is basically a loop. Now we can create our tr here, and then inside the tr we need a td, and inside the td what we are going to do is we are going to display the name of the employee, and on the second td I am going to use emplo employee dot address, and in the third td I'm going to create a button here, a class name equal to btn dash outline dash danger href equal to, and then let's say more. So let's save this, and now we have created a loop here. Now let's go over and see our component. So we have a 3 employee here rendered on our view, and we have a button here. But if I inspect and go over to the console, then we see the error, and it says that each child element in a list should have a unique row. That means we have a 3 row table row, and this 3 row should have a unique key. So that is what React require from us. So in this tr, what we can do is we can give key equal to, and we can use this index here. So if the data is coming from the database, you can use the id or you can use the index itself. So let's save it, and then now it has already refreshed automatically, that is hot reloading, and now we don't have any errors here, just few couple of warnings, and that will go off when we uh, move our application to production. And this is it. So this is all it takes to display the list of the object, or the you can repeat the same process if you want to display just the array of the numbers or array of the strings. But in order to display the list of the objects, since most of the time in the real world application we will be working with the list, and we need to have a list, and then we use the map function, and then we pass a anonymous function lambda expression here, arrow function, and then we render the data. So this is all for this video, friend, and if you like this video, then please don't forget to subscribe and share, and thanks for watching. Have a great day.